Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to write very smart resume for a fresher and experienced person. You can use and apply my tips and tricks and receive a number of recruiter calls or email from your LinkedIn or Gmail address. So how to make very smart resume? Let's start as a detailed demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply first of all, I will tell you I always use Overleaf LaTeX and this is available on online. Very easily edit, modify and update the resume. So here is my resume. I just simply download first of all. So here is my resume like this. My resume size is a 5 page because of I'm adding here several research articles. So look at this top of the screen. You can put it here your name, your designation and current company name and mobile number and email address. So contact detail are come here. One is a telephonic and second one is a email related information, and you can put it here your professional pictures like a blazer or standardization pictures, so anyone can access. Okay, this guy look like this. And then after your professional summary, if you have your professional summary, otherwise you can put it here your education project related information here. So as my professional summary, I am provided here I have 10-year experience in artificial intelligence domain like machine learning, deep learning, and how many topic I cover last 10 years. Responsibility, I put it here responsibility, framework, programming, development toolkit and databases. So I explain here very clearly what is my past career, responsibility, frameworks and how many programming language I am expert. So this paragraph belongs my all professional summary. Next point come here education, my all education related informations, like first of all I am mentioning here year, postdoc, the particular field and university location and country, so you can mention accordingly. And all education put it here and single line, so no one are spending too much time, so someone are just searching or look it out, so all concepts are clear. If you are receiving some award or certification, I am mentioning here after education, so all awards and certification. Then I have Google Scholar and ResearchGate account, so I am put it here my citation and then simply link here, so someone are very easily click this particular link and see my all informations are genuine or not. So it's very simple, same as it is I am provided here in ResearchGate link also, so anyone can access my ResearchGate account is available and genuine or not. So get score also available here, and here especially I am calling here machine learning skill. I have especially in machine learning skill like a programming, framework, toolkit, database and algorithm. I am mentioning here all information very easily because of I am expert in machine learning field. Additional programming skill, I am not too much expert about this programming language and some tools, but I have awareness how to open it, how to access and how to run small amount of program if someone are providing me. So I am added here additional programming skill, and then I am calling here my work experience. So work experience point of view, I joined this company to present my profile, company, location, and then I am added here one of the paragraph what exactly I am working here in this particular company and project related information, so the recruiter or other company employee very easily understand, okay, my expertise this and I am working on this particular project, so this project related information are suitable for my next job, so they are definitely calling me. So I am adding here all companies related information, starting month or ending month, my profile, location and company name. So as it is I am calling here, and then after finish my experience I call here book chapters or your publication. So I am calling here my book, then book chapters, my journal publication I am adding here. If you have publication you add it, otherwise skip it. And then next I am added here my professional association. I am associate with several organizations, reviewing and some other tasks. So conference participate, workshop participate, professional membership I am adding here. Voluntary activities, if you are doing some voluntary activities in your college or school life, you can add it here. Very important points is hobby and interest, and provided here hobby and interest what exactly you are really like, because of some recruiter are asking you question and you have no answer about this particular hobbies, so you can put it here those hobbies you really like it, otherwise skip it. The professional information, as a professional information point of view, I am adding here Skype ID. Someone are click here and contact me on direct Skype. Here I am added here my professional website also. If you have website, so you can add it here, and I am calling here all information of the particular website. Nowadays LinkedIn profile is very important, so I am put it here. Languages, as I adding here 3 languages like Hindi, English and Danish, and declaration, and at the end you can put it here your name. It's very simple to make as a standardization and compact resume. So my resume size is a 5 page, but I just remove all publications, so automatically my resume size is a 3 page. So you can create such kind of resume and added very well properly summarization of your expertise, experience, responsibility, framework, programming and tool. So you can follow my tips and tricks, and definitely after applying you can receive call or schedule interview. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.